The geography of Vatican City is unique due to the country's position as an urban, landlocked enclave of Rome, Italy. With an area of 0.17 square miles, it is the world's smallest independent state. Outside the Vatican City, 13 buildings in Rome and Castel Gandolfo enjoy extraterritorial rights. The country contains no major natural resources, and no known natural hazards other than those that affect Rome in general, such as earthquakes. Climate. The city-state has the same climate as Rome. Temperate, mild, rainy winters with hot, dry summers. Terrain. Vatican City sits on a low hill. The hill has been called the Vatican Hill since long before Christianity existed. An Etruscan settlement, possibly called Vatica or Vaticum, may have existed in the area generally known by the ancient Romans as Vatican territory. But if so, no archaeological trace of it has been discovered. Extreme points. This is a list of the extreme points of Vatican City. The points that are farther north, south, east or west than any other location, as well as the highest and lowest points. North, at the intersection of the Viale Vaticano and the Via Leone IV. South, at the intersection of the Via della Stazione Vaticana and the Via di Porta Cavalieri. West, at the intersection of the Viale Vaticano and the Via Aurelia. East, easternmost edge of St. Peter's Square. The lowest point in Vatican City is an unnamed location at 63 feet. The highest point is another unnamed location at 250 feet. The tallest building is St. Peter's Basilica, at 452 feet. Land use. The nature of the estate is fundamentally urban and none of the land is reserved for significant agriculture or other exploitation of natural resources. The city-state displays an impressive degree of land economy, born of necessity due to its extremely limited territory. Thus, the urban development is optimized to occupy less than 50% of the total area, while the rest is reserved for open space, including the Vatican Gardens. The territory holds many diverse structures that help provide autonomy for the sovereign state, including a rail line and train station, heliport, post office, radio station, military barracks, government palaces and offices, public plaza, part of an audience hall, old defensive wall marking the border, institutions of higher learning, and cultural, art centers. Environment. In July 2007, the Vatican accepted an offer that would make it the only carbon-neutral state for the year, due to the donation of the Vatican Climate Forest in Hungary. The forest was to be sized to offset the year's carbon dioxide emissions. International agreements. Party 2. Ozone layer protection. Signed, but not ratified. Air pollution, environmental modification.